TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back with another non-phone data entry job lead. We will not waste any time. We are diving right on in because this one is such a rare find. They are hiring multiple positions. They are hiring part-time and full-time. They are giving you computer equipment for working from home. They don't require any college degree. I don't know what could be better than this data entry job lead. So the company Nova 401k Associates is hiring a data entry specialist. Now, this is remote for my United States folks only. They are headquartered out of Houston, Texas, but they do not state that they have any state restrictions for hiring. But it says that they're looking to fill several data entry or data entry clerk positions. Part-time or full-time options are available. And it says, although industry experience is welcome, it's not necessary and paid training will be provided. So they completely train. It says this position can be done in the Houston office or at your home. Of course, we are all about working from home on this channel. But they are literally just looking for someone to provide data entry assistance to their distribution department. You'll complete daily goals of assigned tasks. You'll execute assigned distribution pre-work. You'll submit requests to record keepers, and you'll upload and submit forms to their data software. Now, it does not require any college degree. Of course, college is always preferred, but it only requires a high school diploma or equivalent. Someone who has a prior work experience is preferred, but not required. So, no experience is needed. Ability to maintain confidential information. You need to be able to type 45 words a minute. You do need to be able to pass a background check and be proficient in Microsoft Office Suite. Now, it does say for individuals working from home, they'll provide the computer setup. The computer may not be used for personal use. It is for work only and has to be returned upon termination of any employment. Now, when you go down and hit the Apply Now button and bring up the application page, it asks you for your address and everything. There is nothing on here that states that you have to live in a certain area. It asks if you're authorized to work in the United States. And this is where I got the salary information from. It has options for you to check what is your minimum required salary. It looks like they average between $15 to $18 an hour, since that is the most options to check. But you can check that you're wanting more than $18 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.